Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can solve the Elementor not loading problem. Like if your Elementor is loading like this one, like is continuously loading, but not loading your editing page. So you can use this method actually. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my cpanel, control panel. So then I'll go file manager, then public underscore HTML. Okay, here's where my all site files will host. So after that, go to the below and see wp-config.php and edit this one. If you don't have access to edit, then ask your hosting provider to give you the access of it. So and go to the bottom after table prefix, and you can paste your code, and I'll give you the code on the description, and you can put just right down. Okay, here's my code after the table prefix. So here's a catchy and some debugging option. Okay, all right, not this one. I think there is some missing tools here. I'm gonna go to okay, this is miss. So sticky notes sucks. Okay, I'm gonna copy the entire whole code, and I'll put the whole code in the description. Don't worry about that. Okay, so I just copied that, and I can just paste it right here. It's a debug and some catchy and memory limit, everything just need for Elementor to work. Actually every theme and plugin has its system status. It has to maintain with your control panel, your hosting or server, what you called. So it has to be the maintain the equality. Actually some of the theme you might use like for this case, some of the theme you may use and not work properly for this case. Okay, this case actually I meant is the system status. Always check system status for every theme or plugins. So for Elementor, this is the system status, and it won't be a problem to any other theme plugin, uh, theme plugin or anything. Okay, this is code for Elementor. It won't affect on your site, just affect on the Elementor. So don't worry about anything. Okay, and if you have any problem or bugs, then you can just come over and delete the code, because you know where the code is written under table prefix. Here the code, you can remove it anytime. Okay, then save changes. Okay, then I'm gonna just close it. Then I'm gonna reload this one. As you can see, it was loading for a while. Okay, I'm gonna reload this one, and I'll see if this does work. Sometimes it's caused by Ajax, sometimes it's caused by jQuery or JavaScript. So here's my site page already came up, and my editor has not yet, my loading is not completed yet. So the first thing is my site is come, and my editing panel is okay. Now I need is my, oh, everything is fine now. Okay, so I can use elements and edit everything. So if I have if you face that kind of problem, then you can choose the first method. I call it first method because there are so many methods to solve various problems, because Elementor has lots of bugs actually. Okay, so we'll continuously do the second video about there's another method to solve this, because some of the site may not fix by this code. So what are you gonna do about that? So I will show you how to solve that too. Okay, and I will publish a complete playlist of Elementor bug fixing. So stay tuned with me, stay tuned with Tech Vibes. Thank you for your time.